Mahira Hafiz Khan, born December 21, 1982, is a Pakistani actress. The chirpy and bubbly Mahira was born on December 21, 1982, in a Muslim family and did her early schooling from Foundation Public School before leaving for California at the age of 17. Khan was married to Arli Asghari. Khan began her career as a VJ when she was 16 years old. Television drama, RAEES Digital's romance Ni It. She next appeared in television program Hum Safar, for which she received positive reviews. Her other dramas include the 2013 spiritual romance RAEES and the 2014 romantic drama Sab Ke Tum Hai. She played a starring role in a romantic drama, Bin Boy 2015, a supporting role in the biographical drama Manto, and a leading role in coming-of-age drama Humayun 2016, all of which rank among the highest-grossing Pakistani films. Khan will appear in RAEES, an upcoming Indian film directed by Rahul Dolakia. Khan was listed 10th in 8 Sexiest Asian Women poll by Eastern Eye in 2015. She was also called Pakistan's Sexiest Woman in 2015.